Something like this, it's been eaten to shreds by termites. We're looking at all the entrances and the openings. He is just like totally coming apart. And if we do enough digging, there they are. There's your carpenter ants. And there's a winged reproductive too. You see that one right there? That's a, well, it's either a male or a queen. I think queen. That just climbed behind here, but you see there's the brood being carried around. So the embryos, they wouldn't be the ones boring into these holes. As you can tell too, these holes are bigger than our ants. So those are the hole sizes for some of those bigger termites. So we've got, yeah, a whole little ant nest underneath here. There's another reproductive. It's at roughly that season, y'all, where we'd start getting them wing reproductives. This is another reason why like a vial would have been fun to get. We could attempt to catch one of these and see if she's mated. The way we'd be able to tell is if she starts laying embryos. So as you can see, not our termites, but the ants have already moved in. And they're moving back into those holes in the nest, deeper in the nesting site. The white things they're carrying are the embryos. It looks like so they're not holding a group of them. That looks like those look like larvae to me. See how that one right there, that ant is just carrying one thing. That one thing is a larva. So yeah, they've hatched and they're being fed now in development. Then it'll become a pupa and then it'll hatch into an adult. So 2 hatchings total, one from the egg and then one from the pupal case. Yeah, and then see, this is like the main entrance, nest entrance. That's where they're going. Also, wouldn't surprise me if there were multiple colonies here in this tree. There might be another entrance down here too, but presumably underneath this rotting wood, there's another like tunnel network. It's just so rotted away. There's no reason why a couple of colonies haven't made their home here. See, pretty active. You just have to know where to look. I have frustrated them greatly. They're already going back in and out, so they're okay. Yeah, all we did, identified the piece of the rotting wood. It's very old rotting wood because you can tell how much there is in terms of like holes throughout the tree, how many holes there are. The entire tree itself is near dead, if not totally dead. And given the density, then the assumption built in is there's other creatures that have moved in after the termites have done their fair share of destruction. Pull away one of these logs, and you reveal the colony in the background. And again, here's one of those nesting site entrances. There we go.